Hello, sweetie. Merry Christmas to you all. God richly bless you and have a joyful Christmas. Oh, thank you so much, guys, for your support, for your love. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. You have been with me throughout this year. Sometimes I was absent. I come and you still are with me, and I'm so grateful. Today, I bring to you curry vegetable oil rice, and this is something that you can use to elevate your cooking this Christmas. Let's get into it. I have my oil in my fry pan, cooking pan, sorry. I will let the oil heat for 1 minute, and I'll add my sliced onion. So I'll be frying this onion. Stir it and let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes. You can see after 2 minutes, you can see that the color is changing and the texture is changing. So I'll add my 3 cups of rice into it, and I have not washed my rice because I trust this rice. But if you don't trust your rice, you can wash it and add it. Any way you do it, you're going to get the same results. So just stir your rice. At this point, I will add my curry powder. So in this recipe, I was using 2 tablespoons of curry powder. But if you are in Ghana and you have the curry powder in sachets as mine, you use 2 sachets of curry powder. It's the equivalent to 2 tablespoons.
Come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love.
I've added one, and now stir it and add the other sachets to it. After I'm done, I will stir it again. Then I'll add my salt. So adjust the salt as you want. Okay. But in this recipe, I am using 2.5 tablespoons of salt. So just adjust the salt how you like it. Stir it and add water. I am using 4.5 cups of water to cook this rice, and I'm doing that because of how my rice is. So you just adjust the water how your rice. Some rice, when you cook it with a lot of water, it becomes stick, it sticks together. Some, like, it depends on the rice. So know your rice and adjust the water to its standard. Okay, so this is it. I will stir it and cover it with my lid and let it cook. So I will let this cook about 7 minutes. When I cover it, I'll let it cook about 7 minutes, then I'll take it off and stir. So if today is your first time on this channel, welcome back. Welcome to Mekeyroyal's kitchen. You are warmly welcome to this family. We appreciate you. We really appreciate you coming, turning into this channel today. And I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and all my return viewers. Oh, guys, what will I do without you? Thank you so much. God bless you for your support. God richly bless you. So after 7 minutes, I will stir it and I'll add my vegetables. I am using green pepper and carrot, but you can add more. You can use yellow pepper, you can use red pepper, and you can even add green beans to it to elevate it more. So any and all the vegetables I've mentioned, any one you have, just use it, and seriously, you're going to thank me later. You're going to thank me later for this recipe because it is really good. You need to try this Christmas. Change the dishes you make for the Christmas, and they need to be an one way. So and you just elevate this oil rice to Curry vegetable oil rice. Come on. And I'll cover it with my rubber, and I'll cover it with my lid and leave it for extra 7 minutes, 7 to 8 minutes. But if you've been watching my videos and you have not subscribed, oh sister, why? Subscribe to this channel, please. Subscribe, because what your subscription is helping me a lot. It's encouraging me, and it's really helping me to do more and bringing more amazing recipe in your way. So after 7 minutes, I will stir it up, and voila, it is ready. Oh my goodness, the smell. No, the aroma in this kitchen is it smells so good. Guys, I urge you, I encourage you to try this at home this Christmas. No, don't go for the jollof, the normal jollof, the normal fried rice. Oh, please elevate your cooking with this, and your family will, your friends will ask you for the recipe. And with this, you can pair it with any sauce of your choice. So I pair it with my tomato egg sauce. If you want to know how I make it, go and check it out, okay? And you can pair it with your green sauce, your black sauce, that is sheto. I will link it all with this video, so go and check it out and make yourself a sheto green sauce or tomato egg sauce. This recipe, I was just sitting there one day and it came to mind. I didn't know when I was done with it. My husband and the kids were so amazing. They were so happy. They loved it, and I loved it too. So your family will love it. Your friends will love it. Please give me a feedback and let me know how it went for you. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.